I'm gonna help you reignite your love for travel in 2021 so that you can turn your bucket list dreams into a reality. Let's go. Hey, I'm Allie. I'm an Emmy Award-Winning journalist turned on-camera host, content creator, and travel expert. I started Alle Abroad after quitting my TV news job to launch my hosting business, travel the world with my mom, and help other overpacking, luxury-loving, independent women travel deeper on their next adventure. And that was going great until Corona showed up. Ugh, she's the worst. All jokes aside, 2020 was an unbelievably difficult year for many reasons. And for travel lovers like you and me, I have a feeling that you're desperately missing travel right now. And while it is 2021 and more hope for travel is on the horizon, maybe you're unsure of how and when you'll start traveling again. And while I wish I had a crystal ball with all the answers, I don't. But I do know that we will be able to travel the world once again. And when we can, I want you to be prepared to grab the travel bull by the horns and go. But wait, where are you going? What do you want to see? What do you want to experience? Do you have a plan? A bucket list? Or a tiny scrap of paper that's been shoved at the back of your drawer that you honestly forgot all about, but it has a few ideas written on it? I have a feeling you might be a little overwhelmed by the thought of dreaming up all the places that you'd like to travel once it's safe to do so. So that is why I'm launching the Abroad at Home Bucket List series, where each week I'll be teaching you about a new destination that you should consider adding to your bucket list. We're gonna do a deep dive into what you need to know, why you should visit, and what you need to see in countries like India, Argentina, Greece, Croatia, and well, I'll leave some of these countries a surprise. Oh, and let me be very clear. I am not telling you that you can and should travel to these places right now. That's not at all what we're doing here. Instead, this series is designed to get you curious about some of my favorite destinations and hopefully spark ideas and inspiration so that you can start to think about the places that you'd like to visit once it's safe to do so. So no matter if you have a bucket list already or you're starting from scratch, this series will get you excited and prepared for your next adventure. And quick heads up, next week I'm gonna walk you through how to start, organize, and ensure that you achieve the items on your travel bucket list. So if you don't wanna miss that video, make sure that you're subscribed and you turn on those notifications. Very important to hit that bell. Let's stay inspired, seek out new experiences, and use this time at home to get excited and prepared for our next great adventure. And don't forget to check on your suitcases from time to time. They're probably missing travel just as much as you are right now. Miss you so much. Subscribe and make sure to check out some of my favorite destination guides, plus my video on the top 10 places to travel after COVID. I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye.